Hello, beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome into Sugar Fingers. Now listen, today was kind of an impromptu day in bringing you a video over here on Sugar Fingers. I do have videos to get out all day today. Now I know it should be a day of relaxation or just hanging loose on a Saturday, but I have so many things that I wanted to share with y'all that I just can't stop. So I'm fully rested that I know of, okay? And I'm drinking my plum juice. This one is the antioxidant super tea, pomegranate honey and green tea. Y'all may recall, if you are subscribed to Beauty by Sweet Angel, that I do drink pomegranate juice to keep my blood pressure under control, okay? See, when y'all be getting on my nerves, what happens, okay? I'm just kidding. But anywho, I drink the pomegranate juice, just the plain pomegranate juice, but I didn't order in time, so my shipment won't be here until Thursday next week. And I really want my pomegranate juice because I love what it does for me. So Mike went to Kroger and he picked up this pomegranate honey green tea. And it's not what I wanted, but it will suffice. Got other things in it, so that's not what I was really looking for. But it still has the antioxidant goodness of the pomegranate. That is awesome. And of the honey. And of course, this says also notes of a rose. I don't know what that's about, but anyway, we're gonna let it do what it do. But I was just thinking that I needed to share with y'all an update of a video that I've done. I know I've done it on Beauty by Sweet Angel, probably did it on behind the scenes, but today is on Sugar Fingers, the update of me and my IPL hair remover. Yes, this gadget right here. So this one, y'all know I've been using it off and on for a while. If you follow either of those channels, if you don't follow them, go right ahead. But now that I'm taking a lot of my beauty videos is going to be housed over here on Sugar Fingers, I wanted to share just an update on what I feel about the IPL. Now, regardless of which one you use, if you get it from Amazon, chances are they're pretty much the same thing. This one is by a Menzer. If you buy any of them over there, probably the same machine, only got a different name on it. So it wouldn't matter which one it is. Just don't spend a whole lot of money on them. You don't have to do that. This one probably range from $50 to $60, if that much. But this one works, does what it needs to do, and that's why I'm here to update you today. I'm actually going to go through the process. Now, I know many of them come with the sunshades, the razor, and all of that, but since I've had mine for a while, I know how to do it without the sunshades, which I'm just going to show you or tell you right now. Just close your eyes. Don't look at the light. Don't stare into the light, Caroline. Don't stare into the light. Don't look into the light, Caroline, or whatever it says, okay?
Run to the light, baby.
I have everything, of course, all plugged in already, good to go. I had it in the bathroom, but for some reason, I'm not as consistent in doing this in the bathroom than I am when I'm sitting here. So and then the razor, of course, you know you have to change your razor out from time to time, okay? So don't have that razor anymore. I just use my little brow shaver or whatever. Now, the only area that I use my IPL hair remover in is under my chin area, and the reason being, under there I tend to always get hair bumps or the little darkness, as you can see. Okay, that's because I stopped using my IPL hair remover. And you know, I really didn't know what was going on at first, and then I thought about, like, girl, you need to get back on the beat, because when I was doing that, it was so smooth. And now I've been back on it regularly, probably about 2 weeks. So how I do my process. I have a little paper towel here. All I do is just whisk the hair off from under my chin. Now my face has been cleansed. However, you know, I know you see me with a little makeup on, but I don't wear foundation anymore. So I don't have any foundation or makeup, you know, under my chin area. So, nothing, okay? So nothing there, but I do use like some aloe vera, put on there and shave it off, whatever little stubbles is there. And then I proceed on with my treatments for the IPL. So we're just gonna put a little aloe vera underneath here, soften the little hair stubbles up. I don't have as many right now because I've been doing this regularly now. So just gonna take my little razor, and before you use your razor, your shavers, always put a little alcohol on them to cleanse them off. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness, and I know some of y'all, girl, I ain't talking. Yeah, so let me just put a little bit more aloe vera. And this is the area that I'm concentrating in right here. Okay? Like so. And just shave, shave, shave. So now that that's done, cleanse that back off and put it up. And what I do is just take a facial cleansing wipe off the chinny chin chin. And of course, y'all know my little Dollar Tree facial wipes that I get in a case from Dollar Tree. Just wipe it off. And I take a paper towel and just make sure it's good and dry. Perfect. That is perfect. And then it's time to start up the hair removal device. And it's off right now. All I do is press this button one time and it turns it on, and you can see the number of counts that's left there on it. And then I have, since it's my chin, I don't know why, but it feels like it gets really hot. It comes in like 3 tiers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally I go with 3. That seems to be the one that I can concentrate, you know, and take my time with without this getting super hot. And then I press this button and it puts it on auto. So I can just put it on there and go to work with my hairs. And I just turn it like so, and I just press and go in, and it automatically clicks and I can go on to the next spot. So just starting from here to here and a little bit across here is where I do it at. So I'm gonna close my eyes and proceed, okay? So just watch the process. And that is it. And I just turn it off and it'll count down. I just take my little facial wipe it off, and then dry that off like so, and it goes off in 10 seconds. I unplug it, and it does come with a cap to go over it. Pop that on, and I just keep it over here for my next use. That is it. And yes, I do know by experience in doing this hair remover will help you out. You know, you're not going to see results overnight. It does take time, and you do have to keep it up for maintenance. Starting off with a few days out of the week consistently, and then once you start seeing the hair is not growing back, then kind of kick it back. I will have further instructions down in the description box under this video. I know this one is probably not available any longer, but I will link whatever hair removers are similar to this one right underneath the video. And yes, they are affiliate links, Amazon links. Check it out and see if it works for you, especially if you're a lady up in age like me. You know, those hairs are going to grow. You know, hormonal changes are going to happen. You're going to see that extra hair growing in places you don't want. And the chinny chin chin is my biggest thing. I have used it on my upper lip, but right now I just prefer to kind of whisk those little hairs away, just because this is so big and I don't want to get in too close to my lips and all of that. So I love this. So try it out. It's working for me. And now all I have to do is just moisturize the area. Basically, for moisturization right now, I'm just going to go ahead and put back on some sunscreen and mix it with my Anna Says. This is like a V-neck area firming and tightening cream that I like to use for under there to help to lift and firm and shape my neck area there. So I'm just going to mix those two in together. And that'll put some moisture back under there. Like so. Okay. And she's done.
Could you repeat that?
Alexa, nobody said anything. Go to sleep.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, go to sleep. So, anywho, that is it. And we are finito. And y'all check it out. See if it works for you. I'm thinking that it will, because it worked for me and it's helped to lighten up those little dark areas as well, you know. So that's a great way to do that. So y'all check it out and let me know your results. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, right here on Sugar Fingers. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Y'all give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. That helps my videos to get in the algorithms so I can keep bringing content over here to you. I appreciate you so very much. Let's keep it growing, let's keep it going, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that little bell. I'll see you on the next one. Toodles.